Hey guys, welcome back to Chris Hair Buyer. So in this video I want to show you how to achieve this special slanting braid. So here I'm just separating my extension in the middle, but you can actually separate yours or like cross yours to give three strands of extension, like the normal way that you used to cross. You can as well cross if you are not comfortable with this method. So I'm doing the feeding method, but I'm feeding in from under so that it will not be visible like where I've added the extension. Here I supposed to braid before adding that other extension. So that's the second feeding. I'm going to do 3 times. That's the third time. I braid, and then now the one that I'll be taking, I crossed over. That's the one that we are going to be leaving a strand of hair as we braid. Guys, see the technique I'm using here? Yeah, I cross it over so that it doesn't like join with the other strand of hair. Yeah, so that you can see the separation when braiding and take it off. Like you can actually take it off as I did with my hand, or you just braid and you will see as it will pop up. Guys, please like this video and also subscribe to this channel to become a member, and turn on your notification bell for more videos. So I didn't like fast forward this part or the video itself. That's why it's a little bit long, because I want you to see everything detailed. I was like extra slow because I want you to capture the trick in it. You can, guys, are you seeing what I'm doing here? I'm crossing the braid over. As I braid, I leave out the other one. I take it the other way. So that's how we are going to keep braiding. Right here, that's 4 strands of the brown. So we are going in with the other color, the gold color. I think this was visible enough, so you see. So at this stage we are going to start collecting the brown. We are going to be taking the brown while feeding in the braid. So you take a strand of brown and you feed in, you put across and braid. Guys, I'm really slow here because I want you all to see what I'm doing clearly and to also understand it. So you take a strand of hair, you cross it over to the right, you cross the strand to the right, and then you feed in from the left to the right. Then you go ahead and braid, and then the other strand you allow it and take it back to the left and come back with another strand from the left to the right. So guys, that's how it's going to, you're just going to keep braiding. And for the gold color, I use 4 strands, like 4 strands, leaving out one part and crossing another part. And the brown, the same, I use 4 strands of hair, and before reaching the 4th strand of hair, I use 3 in front. Guys, so when crossing over, always make sure it's smooth. If there is any hair flying over, ensure to blend it and smoothen it down so that you have a smooth braid, a smooth and beautiful braid. So once you're done with the brown, you at the same time you'll be done taking the gold or feeding in the gold. So you just have to be crossing over the gold strands of hair from the left to the right and feeding it in underneath. You cross and feed in underneath. Please, when braiding, always ensure that it's not too, that the one you are crossing over is not too tight, so that it sits very well, and also ensure that it's not too loose, so that it doesn't pop up. And then because if it pop up, you'll be able to see the braid underneath. So just always touch it and feel it to make sure it's just lying straight and no tension, and it's not loose like you can see here. Guys, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. And very soon, very soon, I'll upload a tutorial showing you how to make a wig with this braid extension, with this ready-made braid we are preparing here. So a video demonstration of how to use it and make a wig is coming up. And guys, there are other demonstration still showing you how to achieve the same look. I'm going to be doing that from different angles. I'm going to be putting my camera from different angles just to ensure that you see what I'm doing very well and understand it. So please watch this video right to the end, because I'm going to be taking different angles with my camera, because I want you to understand everything. I want you to understand it well, so that when you braid, yours will come out very well as well. Let's share this video. Share the video to your friends, family, in fact anybody that needs to learn this braiding pattern, that need to watch this video. Share the video to them. Let it reach everybody. So guys, if you have watched up to this level and you are not yet subscribed to this channel, like, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Just go ahead and hit that subscription button to become a member of this wonderful family. Guys, I have a lot of good things coming up on this channel that you will not want to miss. So just ensure your membership by subscribing. Yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. If you have not yet done that, okay, if you've subscribed, thank you very much. If you have not yet, please subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time there is an upload coming from me, and you will not miss any content coming from me. So guys, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Yeah, that's it. Let's do it together. So I'm demonstrating the same thing I just did in the previous demo. So I'm actually repeating this several times, because I want you all to understand what I'm doing very clear, so that when you do yours, it will also come out very beautiful as mine. So guys, when crossing your braid over, the one that you're actually using to do the slant pattern or design, like when crossing these marrons over, you can actually cross 2 strands at a time, but I prefer doing it one at a time, so that everything will lay down flat and smooth. So you can actually do 2 strands at a time, or more than 2 strands. You can actually braid all and flip it over and allow the 1 strands, and when you are done feeding in, then you start feeding in from the right. That's, you start crossing it over and feeding it in. So you can actually do it that way, but I prefer feeding in while crossing from the left to the right at the same time, so that it will be solid. I tried braiding, or like doing the feed in, allowing one strand and then crossing it at the end of the feed in, and it didn't look that beautiful to me, and it wasn't solid, like it wasn't laying down very well. So that is why I prefer you do this method if you really want everything to come out flawless and beautiful. I prefer this method. So guys, I'm going to leave you to watch and see what I'm doing. The video is already self-explanatory, so I'll leave you to watch. Okay guys, so see you in the next video. The next video very soon, in a day or two, I'll be uploading a tutorial showing you how to make a very beautiful wig with this hair. So if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss that tutorial and many more that will be coming. So at this point, I'm going to leave you to keep watching. Guys, turn on the notification bell. Okay, see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye. Peace.